Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just I found this little park somewhat near my home because I thought the background would be nicer, but today makes kind of a long milestone for me. It's 10-year anniversary today. Doing YouTube today, 10 years ago today. And I'm going to try to schedule this video around the time I uploaded that one. So, the cast airing Wednesday is already up. But yeah. Man, 10 years. It's crazy to think about it. I've made friends, lost friends, made subscribers, lost subscribers. Just, you know, just how life is. But, of course, as I mentioned in my live, my channel would be nothing without all you good folks. So, I do appreciate all of you commenting, for watching, even if you don't comment. I still appreciate all your views over the years. I'm not planning on quitting anytime soon. The weather's looking sketchy this weekend. Typical. Of course, I won't get called into work, or I can go make a little extra money because it's raining. But when it's sunny out, then the phone rings. Hey, can you come work? Like, you gotta be kidding me. But what are you gonna do? So anyway, yeah. I wish I had something more planned, but I looked at my content again the other day and I was like, oh crap, I'm really getting close. So, well, I'll just come out and at least shoot some appreciations and express my love and gratitude for all my viewers, subscribers, friends, brothers, sisters. Thank you all very, very much. And I'll catch you in the next one.